most mishires happen because the footwork didn't get done on the front end, as in getting clear about the role, and there was no clear plan for what goals and expectations are, and what I said earlier in terms of revenue, contribution, impact, all that stuff. When that wasn't clear, then your hiring manager or you is going to be struggling when you make that decision for actually who to bring in for that in-person interview. And think about it again, that in-person interview sucks up a ton of time, money, and energy on both sides.